Okay. Good morning, all of you. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, all of you. Okay, so today we are going to start with a revision of chapter 1 Shapes and Space. Okay, so before, okay, am I audible? Am I audible to all? Yes, very good. So, all of you, please write your name in the comment section, and we are going to start today with the chapter 1 revision. So before moving to another topic, we are going to do the revision of the previous chapters. Okay, so today we are going to start with shapes and space. You all have done this chapter, right? All have done this chapter, shapes and space. Please write it in the comment section. Okay. Yes. So you all have done this chapter, shapes and space. So today we are going to do a quick revision of this chapter. Okay. So let's start. I'm going to show you some pictures. I hope everybody is here. Okay, let's start with pictures. Okay, you all can see this picture on the screen. Yes, you all can see this picture. So in this picture, some objects are given. The first picture is of a tree, There are two trees, and you have to tell me which one is the taller one and which one is the shorter one. Okay, so you can see in this picture there are different objects. First picture is of trees. There are two trees. So in this one, you have to tell me which one is the taller. You can write it in the comment section. Is it the left one or the right one? The first picture of trees. Okay, good. Ayushman has written that the first one is taller. That means the left one is taller. Good. Alamkruti has written the left tree is taller. We can compare these trees. The left side is the taller one and the right hand side is the shorter one. Okay, those who have written left tree, it is totally correct. Okay, good. Left one is the taller one. So in the picture, there are two trees and the left tree is the taller one. Okay, first one or the left one is the taller one. Good, very good. Now, let's move to another picture. So, in the next picture we have a cup and a glass. Look at the next picture. After trees, come little down and just okay. So in this picture you have to tell me which one is the shorter one. Okay, I can already see your answers. Good. Cup is shorter. Yes, good. So you can compare the two objects, the glass and the cup. the shorter one is the top. Very good. Very good. So in this picture you have to take the shorter one. So we are going to take the cup. Cup is the short object. Now, after the second picture, let's come to the third picture. Little down, there are two children. So now, who is going to tell me who is the taller one? Okay, very good. Ayushman is written. The right one is the taller one. The right child, which is at the right side, is the taller one. The girl is taller. Very good. The girl is taller. Okay, we are talking about the third picture. That is, there is one boy, one girl, and you have to tell me which one is taller. Good. Aryan, Tejasvi, the girl is taller. Okay. Very good, everyone. Now let's come to the other side and look at the picture at the top, beside the trees. So there are two ladders, and you have to tell me which is the shorter one. Okay, we are done with the girl and boy. Girl is taller. Now let's come to the next image. That is, there are two ladders, which you have to tell me which is the shorter one. Okay, good. So the black ladder or the ladder which is at the left side is the shorter one. Very good. Neil, Ayushman, Sarthak, good. So the black ladder or the ladder which is at the left hand side is the short one. So you are easily able to compare between the objects. The height of these objects are different. The shorter one is little, the height of that object is less, and the other object which is taller, the height is okay. Good. So the left ladder is the shorter one. Now, let's move to another picture. Come a little down. After ladder, there are two refrigerators. So you have to tell me which is taller. I'm talking about the two refrigerators. Okay. So Kanishka has written, Devanshi, Ayushman, Aryan. Okay, good. So the left hand side, the refrigerator which is at left hand side is the taller one. Right? And now tell me the last picture, which is the shorter one. Either a house or a building. House is shorter. Okay. You can call it a hut or a house. So the house is the shorter one and building is taller than house. Okay. So the house is shorter. Good. Okay, very good. So if you get these kinds of questions, you have to tick the answer. Okay. Like in the first picture, I was asking which one is taller. In the trees, I was asking which one is taller. So you have to tick the correct answer. Let me show you how you have to do it. See it. Okay. Is it visible to all? See, I have marked a tick on the objects or the answers. So the first one was the tree is taller. So I have marked, I made a tick on that tree. Okay. Similarly, on all the pictures, in the next picture, that is between cup and glass, the cup is the shorter one, so I have made a tick. And between boy and a girl, the girl is taller, so I have made a tick. So this is how you have to tick the correct option. Okay. Okay. Now let's move to another picture. So we have talked about taller and shorter. Now let's talk about bigger and small. Okay. I hope the image is clear to all. You all can see the images. Okay. So now we will talk about big and small. So it's about the shape and the size of that object. How big it is, how small it is. Okay, so the first picture. Okay, so there are two dolls, the green one and the blue one. So which is the bigger one? Okay, we are not talking about doll, we are talking about big. Yes, good. So we are talking about big and small. So the green one or the left one, the left doll, or the green doll is the bigger, bigger doll, bigger than the blue one. Yes, green is bigger. Good. Good. Those are written green. You are totally right. Green is the bigger one. Good. Now let's come to the next picture. Good, good. Green is bigger. Good. Now let's come to next picture. There are two gift boxes. Okay. So let's come to another picture. There are two gift boxes. One is of yellow color and another one is of pink color. So can you tell me which one is the smaller one? Great. Ayushman has answered. Very good. We are talking about the gift boxes now. So which is the smaller one? Yellow box. Good. You can compare the size. Yellow one and the pink one. And the yellow one is the smaller one. Good. Very good. Ronik, Aryan, Santri, yellow is the small one. Yellow box is small. Good. Very good. Now, let's come to the other side. So there are two candies. Okay. Let's come to other side. There are two candies. One is of red color and one is of blue color. Okay, is it orange? Okay, so it might be orange or red. Orange candy, let's take it orange. So which one is the smaller one? Orange, Ayushman is written orange is the smaller one. You can call it, it can be a red, it can be an orange. So orange or red, you can pick the color. I can see it as red, so I take it as red or orange. Okay. So the red color candy or orange color candy is the smaller one. Okay, very good. Red color or orange orange color candy is the smaller. Very nice. Now let's move to the next picture. There are two balls. One is of orange color and one is of green color. So you have to tell me which one is bigger. We are talking about balls now. One is of orange color and one is of green color. So which one is bigger? Okay, so basketball, yes. Orange ball is a basketball and basketball is bigger. Good. Those are between basketball or orange ball. You are right. Basketball is the bigger ball. And the green, it's not shorter. Look, we will not write shorter for green ball. We will write small. Okay. Look at the size. The basketball is very big and the green ball is small. When we talk about taller and shorter, we are talking about their height. But when we are talking about big and small, we are talking about their size. Now look at the orange ball, it is very big and the green ball is very small. So we are talking about bigger and small objects. Yes, basketball is bigger. Good. So you have to tick the correct, or you have to take the answer. So this is how you are going to do this. So you are going to mark a tick under that picture, under that option, when you have to select the answer. Okay. So in the first picture, between two dolls, the green is bigger, so I have made a tick under it. In another picture, there are two gift boxes. The yellow one is the smaller one, so I have made a tick under it. And similarly in the other two pictures. Okay. Okay. Now let's come to another image. Okay, so in this picture there are some questions given. Now, so look at the first question. Which picture shows that the cat is outside the box? Okay, so I have already marked it. So here, look at the picture and look carefully. So there is a cat, and in the first picture it's inside the box, and in the second picture or the right hand side, the cat is outside the box. Second one. So the second option is correct. So we are going to mark the tick. So I have already made a tick on the second one. The right hand side, the picture of which is at right hand side is your answer. So you are going to mark a tick. Yes. So in the second picture, the cat is outside the box. Good. Now look at the second question. So there is a tent and there is a cat again, and you have to tell me which picture shows that the cat is inside the tent. Which one? First one or the second one? A part or B part? Second one. Okay. So it's inside the tent. So the B option is the correct option. So you are going to mark a tick. Good. Those who have written B option on the right one are absolutely correct. Now come to the third question. So the third question, you have to tell me the smaller tree. Among these three trees, which one is the smaller one? Okay, Sarthar has written A. Good. So the A option, the tree which is at A option, it is correct. The first one is the smaller tree, smallest tree. So it is the smallest one. Among all three, the A1 or the first tree is the smallest. So you are going to mark a tick. Now, question 4. So you have to tell me among these two, between these two shapes, which one is the square? B. Again, it is a square. It's not a rectangle. It's a square. So in the fourth one, the B option is correct. The shape of the square, it has 4 sides. So the B one is the correct option. It's a square. Okay, those who have written B, it's not rectangle. The image is of a square. It's not a rectangle. It might seem as a rectangle, but it is a square. Okay, good. So with this, we have revised some topics like big and small, tall and short, and inside and outside. So today we are not going to exceed on this. We are going to do only these three: bigger and smaller, taller and shorter, and inside and outside. Okay. Okay, so we are not going to start anything else. Today we are going to do only these three things, and so we are going to continue this chapter in the next class. We are going to cover the other things like that is nearest and farthest, and above and below. So okay, yes. So there were three things. We compare between two things. Okay, good. Point is right. Roll it. We compare between two things, and there were three things. So we will be getting two things only to compare. Okay. So we are going to continue with this chapter in the next class. We are going to stop here, and please revise the topics, and let's end the class here. Okay. So, okay. Goodbye, children. Have a nice day, and let's continue in the next class. Our first chapter, the other topics of this chapter, we'll continue in the next class. Okay. So, goodbye. Have a nice day.